Hey, so this is the question which I have practiced today. Reverse bits of given 32 bits unsigned integer. So input is something like this, that you are given an n which is an int value, and let's say any int value, let's say for example 3, 2, 4, 5, any integer value it is given, and let's say this is our its bits are represented. So what we have to do, we have to do the reverse of the bits. So reverse of the bits means your output should be an int value whose bits are reverse of this original. So this one goes here, right, and this second one will go at here, like this. We are just reversing it, so we should be like this now, right? So here 1 0 and then all 1 0 0 1. So 1 0 all 1 0 0 1. So we have to just reverse the bits. So what I did is, in the approach one, like, first thing which comes to my mind was, what I did is, so let's say any integer or any integer bits, let's say 1101, I have to reverse it. So in the approach one, what I've done, so it is given 32 bits, so we know that it's a 32 bits. So for example, I'm just for explaining, I'm saying that it's a 4 bits. So what I did is, I taken a string builder and I am looping it 32 times, because it says that 32 bits. For this example, I would be looping, for example, 4 times, right? And what I am doing it here is, this number I am doing AND with 1, right? So if this becomes 1, then I know that this bit is set with 1. This bit is set. So that's what I did. So whatever the number which I got, I am iterating this loop for the 32 times, because of 32 bits. For each bit I have to work on. Then for this number, first I did AND 1. So if it is 1101, let's say I did AND 1. So what I will get? 1, right? All are 0 itself. So because it's a 0 0 0 1, and do AND with it, so it would be like this. So I know that this is equals to 1. Then what I am doing is, in the string builder I am appending the 1. So here in the string builder currently is empty. So in a string builder I appended 1 now. Now what I did is, I am doing the right shift. So now this become, in the right shift what will happen is, for 1101 this will become 0. So 1 bit they will move it, right? So it would be like 0 1 1 0, like this it will become. Now I am doing again 1. So now what would be the end? 0. So now if it is 0, I will append 0 here. So the second bit I will append 0. Then I am again doing right shift. So in the right shift, now 1 bit all will get shifted. So it would be like 1 1 0 0. Again doing 1 bit. So it 1 1, it will be 1. So I'm adding 1 here. Again do a right shift, then it would be 1 0 0 0. Again do AND with 1. So again it will do 1. And when I do right shift again, and anyway this index would be finished. This loop will get finished. So I will get my number 1011, which is a reverse of this, right? So just assume the, which I've run for dry run for the 4 bits, just assume that while running it for the 32 bits. Okay. And the question says that unsigned integer, right? So here in the Java, because I solved using Java, in C++ there is a concept called unsigned signed, but in Java there is nothing like unsigned. So it has positive negative value. There is nothing like unsigned. So whenever in Java we want unsigned, right, we always go with the long, because it will cover all the values which is required. So that's why I did a long dot parse long. Whatever the string builder string I have got, now I am doing radix 2 and just get the number, right, and return it. So here if you see that, what would be the time complexity is? Time complexity is big O of 1, because this is, I am running for the constant time 32, right? But still, after solving this, I thought that something can be done more better. Like, I don't know, it's a big O of 1, it's you can't make more faster. But somewhere this string builder doesn't looks good. I always think that it can be done faster. So after thinking a lot, I thought this approach 2 would work fine. So this approach 2 is little bit see faster. It runs 0 millisecond. The first one string builder run for 1 millisecond. Even though both are big of 1. So here in the approach 2, right, what I have done is again the same thing. But here instead of string builder, I have worked on the number itself. So how? So here I have taken one number. So again, let me take a same example 1101 4 bits, right? You can just use the same for the 32 bits, but for explaining purpose, I'm thinking like what I have done. So let's say n is this 4 bits, and I am iterating over, let's say, all the 4 bits one by one, right? First, I have taken a reverse number. Reverse number is currently 000 because it is 0. So first I am doing is left shift by 1, right? So everyone will get left shift by 1. So anyway it is 0 only, right? Because initially everything is 0. So now what I am doing is I am doing it and 1, the same thing. With this initial value I have to do 1, and so that I get to know that this bit is set as 1 or 0. So currently it is set as 1. So, and because the value would come, right, 1 or 0. So now whatever the value I will get, I will do OR with this one. So it is OR with this. It would be 1, right? So OR with 1. So it would be 1 0 0 0 currently, right? And now what I will do is I am doing a right shift for this number. So 1 shift it will left. So now what would be the number would be 0 1 1 0. Now this would your n, right? My reverse number was this. So now reverse number would be, I am doing left shift by 1. So left shift by 1. So it would become 0 1 0 0, right? Now I am doing again OR with and 1. So here I am doing and with 1. So it would become 0. So I am doing OR with this 0. So it would be the same, right? So currently reverse number is this. And now I am doing right shift on number. Again 1 bit shift. So it would be 1 1 0 0. Then in the loop I am left shifting it one more time. So it would become 0 1 0 0. Doing and with 1. So it would be 1 or with this one 0 0 0 1. So it would be 1 0 1 0, right? Then again I have done this right shift. So it would be 1 0 0 0, and reverse number left shift, right? So it would be 1 0 1 0. Now again I will do 1. So it would be 0 0 0 1. I will do OR with this 0 0 0 1. So it would be 1 1 0 1, right? So and after that this loop will get finished and return. So I will get 1 0 1 1 for this number 1 1 0 1. So it get reversed. So here this is how I am avoiding the string builder. So again the same, very much same thing, but instead of string builder I worked on the number itself, new number. Yeah, so that was the approach, both big O of 1 only, because the bits are constant 32 bits. But yeah, that's my approach, but please comment down your approach, and let's see you tomorrow. Bye.